What's up everybody, Ammar here, and in this video I'm going to show you my new room, the new setup, the room that I'm going to use for my studio, my new setup. If you did not watch my last video on this channel, make sure to watch it guys, it's really interesting. In that video I talked about my gears, my gadgets, and I managed to make some kind of tour in my old setup, in my old gaming and studio setup. And I managed to talk about all my cameras, my stands, my accessories, tripods, monopods, everything. And I talked about gaming, I talked about the computers I use, the storage system I use, almost everything. It was a long video and interesting video. You can check it guys. I will keep link for that video here and in the description also. So make sure to watch it. And now this is the new room. I got to have it as gaming room and studio for me, for my YouTube channel and for my work and for my hobby as photographer and filmmaker. This room guys, as you can see, it's almost double the size of my old room. So in that video I talked about the move already done. I moved to the new house and I picked this room, which is really good in terms of size, to use it as new studio. I moved the chairs, the desks, and now I will start moving the gears and gadgets, and I will make more and more videos about the move and the new setup. It's some kind of studio renovation. This is the main desk. This desk from IKEA. I'm going to use this desk for my iMac setup. So I'll bring my iMac here, and also I'll bring my storage system here. This area guys, I will use it for gaming. I'll bring my gaming TV here, and I'll bring the Xbox, PlayStation. I will put it here and I will sit on this couch or chair and I will play games while I'm facing this TV. This is my filmmaking kit, the Sony AX100, on top of this nice monopod. I will use this kit to make videos for you guys. And this area guys, it's still empty. I will try to put some kind of backgrounds there so I can use these backgrounds in my videos. Let's move there and show you guys what else I got. Now this disc, I will use it also for gaming, but this will be more for PC gaming, and I will have some kind of gaming monitor here. This is my lighting setup. I talked about it in my last video. And this nice tripod from Manfrotto. This is the Manfrotto 190 tripod, and on top of it the Manfrotto video fluid head. So I can use this setup here to shoot videos also. And here guys, I got this to keep all my gears and accessories, my cameras, my photography and videography accessories. So I have good space now. It's better than my old setup. I have more space to store and organize my gears and gadgets. I will make more and more videos about this move, and I will talk about it in details, and I will show you the progress guys. I need really more time to be ready to show you the final setup. It's going to take more time because I have a lot of things guys, a lot of computers, drives, storage setup, gaming setup, a lot of gaming consoles, a lot of games, cameras, a lot of things guys. So I need to take more time to be ready to show you the final setup. So let's say this is episode 1 and more episodes coming. If you want guys to be up to date with this personal project, this what I call it office renovation, Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel, and I will release more videos so you can be up to date with me. This project is very important for me because this is personal. This is something, the office is the place where I really spend most of my time to make videos, to read about photography, videography, to play games, to make videos, to edit. So this is really personal. So I need to spend really good quality time in the making of. So I will catch you guys very, very soon on this channel.